Hi guys, just got this delivered. I think it's time for this one to be upgraded. That's a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Now this one's the latest one from Google. I was looking for the colors, but I think in the end I just decided to go with this color. It's a bit more manly, I think. The rest of the colors were very feminine. Let's just slide it off. Very neat and green packing, whatever you want to call it. That's done. Goes there. And here we have the watch. Let's see, how does it look? There we go. It's pretty big compared to mine. Or it looks bigger because there's no bezels. Let's see. This is Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And here we have the Pixel Watch. Yeah, clearly this one looks bigger. Kind of like covers the whole thing. But the thing is, this one doesn't have bezels, so this would probably be the entire screen, predominantly. Let's have a look. We'll power it off later. Let's see what accessories we get with it. Yeah, this one's slightly darker, or lighter, than the one I already have with Samsung. You can get plenty of proprietary ones, and this is a special mechanism that you have to use. So you can't really use one of those pin ones. Galaxy uses the pin ones. Go blue, that's our charger right there. That's our manual. It gives you straps with different sizes. There's no charger. It doesn't come with a charger. Anyways, let's just have a look what we can do now. Next is... Oh, sorry. Charger's right there, apologies. And yeah, there we go. That's a USB-C charger with a 4-pin adapter. Only likely we need to plug that in first to actually see what's the first charge. Will I need the bigger strap of this? Let's see. I will need the bigger one. Likely. There we go. So that's our bigger strap there. And that's the other one there. So let's clip this beauty on. It's right there. So as you can see, this one's got a grey finish that actually matches with the strap. There is a aluminium silver finish that you can get. And this one comes with a crown. So let's see. Go right there. Click. Done. Got right here. See the part where that's got a button? That's where you need to put the pressure on with one corner. And it automatically slides in right in there. There we go. That's our watch there. And now you slide this watch in through the gap. Pull it towards you. You want to keep it on level, say 3, and then put that one back in. Here we go. That's our watch. In comparison, if I was to put this one on the other wrist, you guys will be able to see how that works, how that looks aesthetically. I like the magnetic clasp on the Samsung, but that touchscreen bit which they use, as you can see there, so you see the bezel's got that touch. You can see that? That part, you're only smudging your own screen, because imagine when it's rainy weather and your watch is wet, you can't really swipe it across. Or with this, hopefully the crown will do wonders. So let's see, power it off. Highly likely it's going to ask me to set things up. I think I'll have to plug it onto the charge. That's our Google logo. Alright, we're going to speed this up quickly. Alright, that's loading up now. So as you can see, the power part is coming up now. Alright guys, whilst actually installing it, the watch automatically picked this up and landed me into the Play Store. So what we're going to do is we're going to just install this and see how that tallies up. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to open this. We're going to walk you through the setup. Oh my, that's quick. So it's already finding the watch for me, connecting to Pixel Watch, confirming the code. Yeah, that's exactly what I see on the screen of the watch. And I guess I'll have to allow a few things, allow the notifications. And now it's connecting to the watch. Installing the software, so I think probably some updates. Highly likely the watch probably has an update as well. Okay, well this is, yeah, all I see on the screen is continue on your phone. So I think majority of the steps is actually done on the phone. So I'm going to walk you through this bit to see if we can get a realistic feel of how the watch really would look like. I personally think that that grey color looks really nice. Alright, so I'm just going to log into my account and we're going to walk through this. Sign in. Copy to your watch. Copy your contacts to your watch. Yes, please copy it. Confirming. Signing in. By the way, the phone I'm using is the Honor Magic 5 Pro. I personally think that technology is moving so fast. We shouldn't really update the phones every so often. For example, if you're going to upgrade every year, you're not really seeing much of a change. And I don't think there's much... okay, diagnostics. No, thank you. Google is already stealing a lot of the data. Allow apps to service. I think this is for the weather apps and so on. It will work fine. And what else do we have? Backup your watch. Yeah, why not? Automatic updates. Google Assistant disclosure. Yeah, you're going to record more data. Find my device notice. Yes, this comes in handy if in case we lose the watch. I mean, there are ways to format it. Once you lose the watch, you lost it. That's it. It's gone. It's history. So let's see how the setup goes. Okay, did you know watch the setting? Setting letter. Yeah, thank you, mate. That's Google trying to get away, like, yeah, we did give everybody the options and everything. Learn how to switch your bands. Okay, bro, this is how you switch your bands. Press the little clicky button and twist. Clicky button and twist. Exactly how I was showing you guys. Next. Put your... Are you kidding me? This is rocket science. Anyways. Yes, left-handed. And the crown will be there. Fitbit. Okay, I think I've got Fitbit Plus with my annual membership of, I think it's 2 terabyte storage. So we're going to install this now. Let's get this sorted. I wish they could integrate Fitbit into Wear OS or Pixel watches, because if it's integrated, I don't need to download an app. So it needs me to actually go into another app, sign in there, sign up an account. Okay, got my account there. Sign in with existing Fitbit account. Yeah, mate, whatever. Okay. It's not funny enough, I don't have an account. Open Fitbit, sign in with Google. There. That's done. So connect to Pixel Watch 3, Fitbit. I agree. Loading. It's going to connect to the watch. On my screen, on my watch screen, all I see is continue on your phone. That's all I see. I don't see anything else. Now it's saying your Fitbit account is connected to the Fitbit watch. Go next. Continue. Loading. Your Google Watch comes with safety features, blah, 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 blah. Okay, emergency in case I am in trouble. I press the ticks for 5 times and get more from your assistant. I think it should already be set up. Okay, next. Next. Yeah, fine. Okay. Okay, this should always work. Set up, boom. Set up a lock pattern. We'll do this one later. This is not mandatory, but this is something that you'll need to use if you're using Google Wallet on your phone, or on your watch. Going next. There we go. It's asking me to set the apps or not now, mate, later. Select apps for your watch. Set up now. So which ones do I need? So it will pick up whatever it can according to my phone. So I don't need SoundCloud, that's too much. YouTube Music, I don't know if I really use it on my phone. Yeah, quick maths game, 7-minute workout. Yeah, that's good. Anything else that might come in handy? Calm? No. Yeah, that's it, mate. Done. Loading it all up. I hope there's predominantly some other apps inside the watch that we could use. Alright, it's just trying to teach me the basics now. Let's review some basics, fine. Swipe up. Okay. Swipe down. Easy. Swipe left. Swipe right. Swipe left. More. The weather. Down. Press the crown. Go back. More. Watch faces. From your watch face, press the crown for the apps. Okay. Go on the apps. There's another button there. That allows me to put in the recent apps. Done. That's done. Let's see now. Let's see how it looks like. Quite a lot of notifications. I like the notifications part. Oh, I love this one. It's really nice. Okay, system update. Highly likely. It's going to, yeah, the install update place on watch charger. Let's do that update and see how it looks like.